Chemistry is everywhere in our daily life because chemistry deals in chemicals, and chemicals are present in medicine, food products, and chemical and cleansing agent also, like shampoo and soap and detergent. So chemistry is used in medical field in diagnosis of a disease, prevention for a disease, treatment of a disease, and if anybody is deceased, then we are trying to cure also with the help of medicine. Now, drugs. Drug is a broad term, but in generally, drug is a chemical which is used for prevention, diagnosis, treatment, or cure of a disease, or for a well-being of a society or human. So, in short, substance which is used for the purpose of prevention of diagnosis, treatment, or cure of a disease are called drugs. Drugs is derived from a French word called drogue, means dry herb. So this is the definition of drug. In general language you called it medicine. So there are different types of forms of medicine available in the market. Medicine is available in the capsule form, tablet, injectables, in the form of creams also. Now what is the characteristic of an ideal drug? So एक आदर्श दवाई हम किसको बोलेंगे या मेडिसिन? It should not disturb normal physiological process of our human body. Secondly, harmless to the host but should destroy the harmful organisms like microbes or the pathogens which causes disease. It should have minimum side effect. उसके कम से कम साइड इफ़ेक्ट होना चाहिए. साइड इफ़ेक्ट का मतलब होता है डिज़ायर्ड इफ़ेक्ट के अलावा और दूसरे इफ़ेक्ट ना हो. लोकलाइज्ड टू अफेक्ट साइड, टू द अफेक्टेड साइड, और जिस बॉडी में जिस जगह पे हमको या जिस ऑर्गन में एक्शन चाहिए वहीं पर एक्शन दिखाए. जैसे एंटीबायोटिक का मेन फंक्शन है टू किल बैक्टीरिया और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स और पैथोजेंस विच कॉजेज डिसीज. नाउ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स. हम दवाओं को किस आधार पर वर्गीकृत करते हैं या बांटते हैं? तो सबसे पहले तो है बेस्ड ऑन डोसेज फॉर्म, मतलब किस रूप में दवा पेशेंट को दी जा रही है. टैबलेट के फॉर्म में है, सिरप के फॉर्म में है, या इंजेक्शन के फॉर्म में. फिर सेकंड है बेस्ड ऑन द केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर, उसमें किस तरह का फंडामेंटल केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर प्रेजेंट है, कितने बेंजीन रिंग हैं या और दूसरे केमिकल्स. जैसे पेनिसिलिन का स्ट्रक्चर है, आगे हम देखेंगे, उसका डायग्राम है. केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर है मॉलिक्यूल्स का, ड्रग मॉलिक्यूल्स का, सल्फोनिल, यूरियाज, ईटीसी. Now based on pharmacological effect. Pharmacological effect means when we take a drug inside our body, it shows some effect. That means a drug when reaches in the body, it try to change our physiology or try to cure our disease or ailment. So there are two criteria. After administering drug, what happened to the drug? And secondly, after administering drug, what body does to the drug or drug does to the body. Based on action of drug, बॉडी में जाने के बाद ड्रग किस तरह की एक्शन दिखाती है. जैसे पेन किलर, जिनको एनाल्जेसिक भी बोलते हैं, ये दर्द को दूर करते हैं. ट्रैंक्विलाइजर पेशेंट को कूल एंड काम बनाते हैं. ऐसे पेशेंट जो अवसादग्रस्त है या चिंता है जिन्हें. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन मॉलिक्यूलर टारगेट्स मींस वो बॉडी में जाएंगे तो बॉडी के अंदर जब ब्लड के थ्रू डिफरेंट सेल्स में पहुंचेंगे तो वो किस टारगेट साइट पे या किस जगह पहुंच के अपनी एक्शन दिखाएंगे, प्रोटीन के साथ बाइंड होंगे कि न्यूक्लिक एसिड के साथ जाके टारगेट न्यूक्लिक एसिड को टारगेट्स करेंगे। जैसे एंटी कैंसर ड्रग है वो सेल के न्यूक्लिक एसिड को टारगेट करती है। और so this is the classification of drug. Then next, see the diagram. Normal mechanism how a drug shows its action in the body. So enzymes are present in our body. Different types of enzymes are there in at different organs. So some enzyme have active site, and in this diagram they are showing substrate. So drug is a substrate. The medicine you take is called substrate in this case particularly. So when enzyme get attached to substrate, they form enzyme substrate complex. And when enzyme substrate complex formed inside the body, it may alter your physiology of the body, or may cure the disease. And this bonding type may be ionic bonding, that means there is an exchange of electron. Hydrogen bonding, due to presence of hydrogen atom and some more electronegative atom. Covalent bond, sharing of electron. And or there may be weak van der Waals interaction between the enzyme and substrate. So this is not asked generally in examination. So after forming enzyme substrate complex, it the substrate may convert or change into product, and the active site of enzyme again get free, and the product, if useful to the body, remain in the body, and if waste products are formed, it is excreted with urine or sweat, or sometimes maybe feces through also. So this entire process goes again and again. Then again active site will bind to the active drug or substrate, then they again form enzyme substrate complex, and after some time, or after showing the desired action of drug, they again converted into product and enzyme. So this is the mechanism of drug. The mechanism in presence of drug: active site, enzyme, substrate, drugs. These three things are present. So mechanism of in presence of drug, there may be two types. Commutative inhibition, that means drug binds to the enzyme and prohibited or stop the substrate to attach it. So drug inhibits, hinders the activity of enzyme. In case of indigestion, mechanism in presence of drug. So today is enough for this